In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this text effect in Photoshop. Let's begin! First, let me show you the document settings I'm using for this tutorial. Now, select the Type tool and type the text. This is the font I'm using for the text. Now, select the Move tool and align the text to the center of the canvas. Now press Ctrl and J to duplicate the text layer. Then press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform, and drag the duplicate text slightly downward as shown. Move the duplicate text layer below the original text layer. Now press Ctrl and J again to create another duplicate. Press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform, and move this new duplicate slightly upward as shown. Select the top duplicate text layer and set its fill to 0%. Double-click the layer to open the Layer Style panel. Enable Stroke. And set the stroke settings exactly as shown in the video. Apply this same gradient used in the tutorial. Once everything is set, click OK. Select the bottom duplicate text layer. Set its fill to 0%. Double-click the layer to open its Layer Style menu. Enable Stroke. And apply the same stroke settings as before. And click OK. Convert all text layers into smart objects. Hold Ctrl and select the two duplicate text layers. Press Ctrl and G to group them. Rename the group as Text Group 1. Add a layer mask to the group. Select the Brush tool. Choose a soft round brush. Make sure this layer mask is selected, and the foreground color is set to black. Use the bracket keys to adjust brush size. Now, brush gently as shown to create a shadow effect over the bottom two text layers. Once you're done brushing, press Ctrl and J to duplicate this group. Rename it as Text Group 2. Right-click its layer mask and select Delete Layer Mask. Drag this second group below the first one. Open Text Group 2. Select the top text layer. Press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform. Move it slightly upward. Select the bottom text layer. Press Ctrl and T to activate Free Transform. Then move it slightly downward. Add a layer mask to the bottom text layer inside the group. Now select the soft round brush. Make sure this layer mask is selected, and foreground color is set to black. Then brush as shown to create a shadow over the bottom text. Add a layer mask to the top text layer inside the group. Make sure this layer mask is selected, and foreground color is set to black. Now, using the soft round brush, paint as shown to create a shadow over the bottom text, same as before. Select the top layer. Add a hue saturation adjustment layer. Adjust the hue slider to change the color of the bottom text for a better look. That's it! You've successfully created a cool text effect in Photoshop. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.